VIVO Honor. Honor versus VIVO. Front-facing camera. Check out the sky. Which one? Oh, they're almost identical. When I'm out of the frame, should compensate. Almost identical. That is really good. Full length of my arm. Video stabilization. Do we have autofocus in front-facing camera? No, we don't. So there's no macro. Check out the sky. Very similar, but a little bit of flare on the Honor. But the Honor has that huge, double camera on the front. Why? Well, maybe because we can do zoom. But I don't think that is. Okay, I've played around with the brightness because that's like electronic zoom. Alright, let me switch to the wide angle lens. With the wide angle, well, definitely Honor. Look how many poles we have. Way more than in a VIVO. It's getting windy. It's windy. So a little bit of wind noise. And both of them we do have a noise cancellation in both of them. Alright. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Video stabilization. Do we have autofocus in wide angle lens? It means macro. Let me take one of the leaves. Yes, we do. In both of them. And they both look great. Oh, Honor is a bit slow, I guess. Ooh. Come on, come on, come on. Again? No, it's not. Or maybe it is. A bit slower than in the VIVO. Round object. We need a round object like this like the lamp. Both good. Really good. So no issue with the round object. This camera is struggling with a round and shiny surface. Alright, vlogging style. If you're in a vlog from this camera, this is how it's going to look like. And let me switch to the main lens. Main and main. Video stabilization. What the hell? Oh my god, what is this? No! Alright. Alright, vlogging style with that noise cancellation on. Alright. And the time for the telephoto. It's a really good place for the telephoto. Buildings and everything. 2x. 2x. Maybe to a vehicle will be even better. Okay. That's 10x. That's the maximum. And 10x. Oh, definitely VIVO has the more details, I guess. Maybe another vehicle. Oh yeah, VIVO. With VIVO you can go 20x. That's cool. And I've got the greatest zoom in a photo all the way to 100x. I've speed up that video a little bit because it's getting too boring. Well, that's the AI competition now. Which one has a better AI in a post-production on the fly? Well, let's find out. Let's take a couple of pictures. And yeah, VIVO, a bit sharper AI, I guess. Check out the sign. Yeah, much better on a VIVO.
A real homebody, it's wonderful. I never thought that I would find someone that I can't resist. This might be as close to heaven as I will ever get. I see perfection and a heart of gold. Always got my attention. Beautiful soul. Beautiful soul. see perfection and a heart of gold. Always got my attention, beautiful soul.
Vivo is still #1 camera smartphone in the world. But Honor has that one feature. Angle. It's extremely wide. Maybe there is some scenario that you need such a wide view for vlogging, or maybe if you don't have too much room and you want to film something in a tight space, then Honor could be the one. And that's all I got for now. See you next video.